Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, thank you for tuning into this time, my 2925th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, as you know, the purpose of these thousands of videos is to teach you the art of technical analysis. And if you know anyone who knows me or anyone that's been watching these videos since the YouTube started, literally since YouTube started, I've been putting out these videos. Literally since the 80s, I've been teaching this. If you know anything about me, you know I'm really good at what I do, so pay attention. Maybe I can help you. This is video number 2925, coming at you on a Monday night for trading on Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. Before we get involved, please remember how risky trading is. Risky. Put your stops in, your protective stops. Put them in first before you ever get into a live position. You'll live a lot longer in this industry, I promise you. So for trading on June 10th, Tuesday, the OMNI says for E-mini S&P, for Russell, continue buying the dips. For the YM, continue buying dips on Tuesday. Now, as you can see, the E-mini S&P has just been bouncing around inside of what's now, it used to bounce around inside of a really big channel. There are two channels there, traders. I don't want to mislead you. There's actually another channel if you wanted to connect all the low stuff here, right? You know what I mean? You have a tight channel. Then you have an outside channel, a secondary channel. So we're going to go to the secondary channel. Been bouncing around inside of the secondary channel, and then it goes into, an ascending wedge. What's nice about that is that the ascending wedge has a lot of room here, right, to revolve around, right? Revolution, boom, revolution, boom, revolution. But now look. Now it's running out of room, right? Now it's going to have to make a choice. And because it's ascending, likelihood is it breaks out to the upside. And Omni's asking us to continue buy dips on Tuesday. Now, I don't think we can get filled I don't think we can get filled Omni style in E-mini S&P or Russell on Tuesday. But we can get filled Oscarism style, so let's see what happens. Maybe if you join me in my free live trading room, I'll share those trades with you. If we could get it. In fact, if you join me in my live free trading room, I will share my Russell and my ES trades with everyone if you get filled, if we could get a fill. My live trading room is very easy to get to. Go to livewithoscar.com. You will literally just have to register. No credit cards at all are required. No messing around with you guys. No credit cards. So you will just go to livewithoscar.com, right? And if you were never there before, it's going to look like this. Go to livewithoscar.com. Up here, you will see register. You will just, make it a little bigger for you so you can see everything. You will register. Boom. Very simply, you're going to fill out a few pieces of information. I promise you there is no credit card required at all. But if you get that information, it might go to your spam. Just check your spam for your email, put your verification code in, and then join me in my live trading room. I'm here right now. I'm always here. Even if the cameras aren't on, I promise you I'm always here in my live trading room. Cost you nothing, traders. Come hang out with me. We'll see what happens. If you do that, I will share my Russell and my E-mini S&P trades with you. If they get filled, you will know before the fill. You'll be able to get in with us. You'll be able to get out with us. That happens at livewithoscar.com. Let's see if you got enough guts to come join me. I'm very cool. You'll see. Just come hang out. All right, so that's what we're going to do in the indices. Now, we've got other stuff to look at. Remember last night? The watch out silver fans? Well, somehow silver made it through the double top. I mean, come on, give it a round of applause. Silver never goes anywhere, ever. I've been working with silver since I'm 18 years old. It came down from 31, went down to $7.50. It's been hovering between 31 and 21 for most of my entire career. And it's never gone past that ever. Gold has gone from $265 an ounce when I started. It's $3,300. Silver's still right here. But hey, let's give it some credit. It's starting to move. I love it. Now that silver is above the double top, one thing to watch out for, Omniacs, if you get this tomorrow, no good. We do not need silver to say, just kidding. First, I ran the stops on this day. First, we ran the stops right under the 2. And now we were just kidding. We're going to respect that double top. We don't want to see that, right? As long as we don't see that tomorrow on Tuesday, we should be fine. In fact, as long as that doesn't happen, and Omni's bullish, so I don't expect that, 3 targets come out. 37.50 short-term target. 38.50 if we get above 37.50. 44 next if we could best 38.50. How about that? I haven't given many upward projections in something like silver in quite some time because, quite frankly, silver's known for more doing this when it goes up than anything else, right? It goes up and does this. And it tries to go up and does this. And then it goes up and does this. Well, here we are. I'm expecting this. I was wrong yesterday, by the way. Oh, by the way, in our count, 75% of us thought, and me included, we would not get through the double top in silver and we would drop. I was one of those Bs. I chose B. A, would it go up? B, would it go down? You voted. Most of us voted for B. You guys have voted for A. Sharp cookies out there. You got me beat. It went up. But there's more. If we do not get that crazy fictitious red bar that I don't expect tomorrow at all whatsoever, if that doesn't happen, then I get to basically black out the careful here, silver fans, and just go, okay, here, silver fans, we're going to these targets. I don't expect this to happen. The only way I would negate these 3 targets right now is if that was tomorrow's fate. I expect tomorrow's fate to be opposite. I think we're going up, right? I think we're going here. Let's make that bar green. I think this bad boy goes up tomorrow, but I was wrong about choosing that it wouldn't get through the double top yesterday. Now, you know me. When we see a double top, we sell a double top, and almost every time you hear me say that, that does work, so I can't doubt double tops. Turns out in this case, silver went so far 2 days through it, right? One day was here. It went through it and settled just above the double top trend line, which would be the red line here. So this bar, and then you got this one, right? Now we got a second day settle above. Now, with my green Omni, I say we go in and we start looking for targets. Stops go in first, you know how that works, but I wanted to show you the silver and what we would be doing. And then there's this, traders. You're going to love this. Bitcoin fans, don't go away. Look what's happening here. Bravo, Bitcoin. Now, you know we've had this insanely accurate average that Wall Street has adopted and just loves, especially from here forward. Great stoppage, stoppage, right? Market right back down, runs up, stoppage, runs up, stoppage. Tries everything it possible in its power. Can't get above, drops back down. Finally, makes it above. We give out targets. Woohoo! And we give out 94,200. It goes right there. Then we give out 102,000. It goes right there. Now, and then on the same day, by the way, we gave out 121,000. So these 3 targets came out on the same day. We've already hit 2. Now we're heading for the 121. Nothing goes straight up, as you can see. But look, we're above the average again. It held. Boom, we're above it. And already you're starting to see upward movement. Gotta love the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. Gotta love that Bitcoin chart. And then we're going to look at another. For you crypto fans, don't go away. Look at Ethereum. Now check this one out. Ethereum, what's it look like? Well, let's look back here first. We were in a bear channel, right? This red channel. And we were bouncing from top to bottom, top, down to the bottom, almost, up to the top, down to the bottom, almost the top, in the form of a bear channel. And then we started getting bear flags, which is another one. There's bear flags here. They're all over the place. We get another bear flag, and it does work. All right. That was then. This is now. Check this out. Now we're in a bullish channel because, hey, this is going up, not down like the red one was. Bull channel. Now we're getting bull flags. That should take Ethereum out of that bull flag and up here somewhere. Rock and roll, right? Look at these formations working. If Bitcoin's going, Ethereum's definitely going in sympathy. So you've got that. It's not the first bull flag that worked, kids. You had one that built here. Oscarism style flag. And that worked. Right? You had a flag there. That one took us up. Big pole. Nice flag. Up we go for the second one. Gotta love what we're seeing there. And then there is this. Don't forget, last night we talked about Tesla. And I said, listen, traders, I know how this works. No holds barred wrestling match comes out between Trump and Musk. All right, whenever Trump has a big event, you get a big rundown and the event ends. And the next thing you know is a recovery. So I came out and said that. Here's what it looked like. We had the Tesla drop for these 2 days, right? Boom, boom. Then we didn't know what to do there. And I came out and said, traders, don't worry about that. Here's why. Because it's going to hold. Because the fundamental behind this, literally, is that when Trump has a big event, the market ends up going back up immediately following. Well, this is what happened in Tesla. It did go up as we expected. So far, so good. And we expect another up day on Tuesday. Traders, I hope that helps. Now, we voted for, would silver go through the double top? And you guys voted with me. 75% of us said no. We were wrong with B. And 25% of you said A. You guys were right. That was silver. That was yesterday. Tonight's video. What do you think? Will Tesla have one more update? We're voting for one more update. That's Tuesday with day traders. A, vote right now. Below, vote A. Tesla will go up on Tuesday. Or B, Tesla will go down. 75% of us got this wrong yesterday. And usually as a crowd, we're pretty good omniacs, right? Let's see what happens here. I say it goes up. I don't know. I was wrong yesterday. But listen, I called for a double top. When you see a double top, you sell a double top. You don't doubt double tops. That's that. That one maybe didn't work in silver. I wouldn't doubt the next double top in any market. So you know I'm always going to say I expected the downward move at a double top. In this case, I'm expecting up because the chart looks good there. Tesla pulled back almost for no reason. And I say I'm going to vote for A. Please leave your comments below. As you know, as I did on last night's video, I reply to all the comments personally. I did last night, as every night, and I'll reply to yours. Now, something came up I wasn't expecting. Don't forget, please vote A or B right now. Something came up I wasn't expecting. 2 Omniacs have gotten in touch with me and said, Oscar, I would like to do an OmniCamp. It's going to happen on the last day of July. The last day of July. Now, OmniCamp is a 4-day extravaganza. So it's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, really Monday, 5 days all total. OmniCamp here in Las Vegas. It's going to happen last day of July. If you want to join us at OmniCamp, go to omnibootcamp.com. Fill out an application. I'll be more than happy to get in touch with you. I'm only opening up the doors for 2 more seats. That's it. Now, I just mentioned this today, so no one's filled out apps yet. Get your application in. Maybe it'll be you. There'll be a total of 4 of us maximum on the last day of July at OmniCamp. Make sure you join. And then lastly is this, kids. Stop, sir. In. Emotions are out. Now, traders, it's 107 degrees as I'm doing this video, which is why I did not go into the studio, put on the bright lights, and stand in front of that camera. If it cools off just a little, tomorrow night I'll try to get in front of the camera and do a longer video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.